In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage passkeys in Jira. Passkeys are a more secure and convenient way to sign in because they let you log in without typing a password. Instead, they use things like your device's built-in security, such as fingerprint, face recognition, or a device PIN. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Jira and Atlassian's account settings, so you can set up a passkey quickly and confidently. Start by opening Jira in your browser and making sure you're already signed into your account. Once you're on any Jira page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small avatar image. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option called Account Settings and click it. This will take you out of the main Jira project view and into your Atlassian account settings page, where you can manage personal details, security options, and more. You may notice different tabs or sections here, but we're going to focus on security. On the left-hand side, or near the top depending on your layout, find and click on the Security section. This is where Atlassian groups all of your sign-in and verification options, such as two-step verification, app passwords, and passkeys. Give the page a second to load so all options are visible. Once you're on the security page, look for the option labeled Create and Manage Passkey. Click on that. This area is dedicated specifically to setting up new passkeys and managing any existing ones you've created in the past. It's a good habit to occasionally review this section to remove old passkeys you no longer use, especially if you've changed devices. After you click Create and Manage Passkey, Atlassian may ask you to confirm your identity for security reasons. This could mean re-entering your password, approving a login from your authenticator app, or verifying through another method you already have set up. This extra step helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Atlassian will guide you through choosing where to store your passkey, such as your current device or a supported password manager, and may ask you to confirm using your fingerprint, Face ID, or device PIN. Carefully read each prompt, confirm when asked, and wait for the success message indicating your passkey has been created. Once you're done, your passkey is ready to use the next time you sign into your Atlassian account, giving you both stronger security and a smoother